This is another tutorial for control chart, how to make control chart. This is a simple way to make a control chart. Control chart is usually used to control the accuracy of your data. We have two lower limits and two upper limits. So the first lower limit, you can see here a standard 2 times a standard deviation plus the average of your data. Then we have 3 times a standard deviation plus average of your data. This forms upper limit. Let's make this upper limit another color. I'm not familiar so much with Mac. So then we have this one, upper limit. Then this one, average or mean of your data minus 2 times the standard deviation. We make it as green. No, it's not a good color. Okay, green, again green. Okay, so what we need here, we need a central line that's average of your data. This here is trial 1, and this is average of your data in a control chart, and we need a standard deviation. So we go at the bottom of column B. So let's write here mean. Below mean we write a standard deviation or showing by SD. So let's get the mean. Put equal, type average. This one will pop up this order. Average, click on it. So in the parentheses, we select the whole range from 1 to 20, press enter. So we have the mean value 3.94. And we make a standard deviation again, equal to STD, standard deviation. So now we have a standard deviation 1.6. So we want to now plot the trial 1 and see how the trial 1 works. In the assignment, you have to compare trial 1 and trial 2, and again put both trial in the same time in the same plot, and also make plot of trial 3. So if you make just 1, 2, an average of these two trials, that which for this one would be similar, you make average of these. Let's write it again, average of these two cells. Okay, let's put the number here 3.8 for 3.9 for example. This is average. Then the same thing you will repeat for each column. So we just want to work now with trial 1. So we want to work with trial 1. Let me see if it's recording now. I'm not sure if it's recording, because it's not showing anywhere if it's. No. Okay, let me see if it's recording. Let's see, I'm not sure if it's recording. Okay, yeah, it's recording here. I guess it's recording. So now we have the data. Let's see. We have a mean value, we have a standard deviation. So to make a straight line, this line means it has some y value, and we have a 0x value, right? So let's make our central line. This would be what? Y axis. These are all y axis. number for the y, and these are all a straight line. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So the central line is equal to 3.94 standard deviation, 3.94. then we put equal this, equal this, then we drag them all, or you copy paste all 394. So now we have a standard deviation, we have a central line that's made by average. Then we here the lower limits, let's work on the lower limit. We have mu, that's average, minus 2 times multiply by 1.62, a standard deviation. Okay, let's type it here, 1.62. So this is our line, so the same value goes the whole thing. Now we do it again, this one, instead of the same thing, a standard deviation, let's repeat again, central line plus 2 times multiply by 1.62, 1.62. okay, it's equal to this one. So we have upper limit for and lower limit for 3 times of a standard deviation. It's equal to central line minus 3 times multiply by 1.62. Right, 1.62. This is 3 times multiplied by 62. This one would be central line plus 3 times multiplied by 1.62. It's equal to this one. It's equal to this. So these are all a straight line. This is y and this is x-axis. This is x-axis, right? X-axis. Again, this is also y-axis. We have only one x-axis and we have several numbers that assign to y-axis. So let's plot them now. Go to insert, scatter plot, choose this one. So select data, name here central line, x value 1 to 20. Then we have y value. This is for central line. Central line. So always in Mac there is some issue with that. So there's an easy way to do this. I don't like to work with Mac. It's so complicated. So let's select it all the easiest way and go to insert and select this one, and it will take everything in the plot when you select it all together. But this is an easy way. Then you have to make a title here, control chart. Then you have to design your chart. When you go to design chart, you go add compartment, axis title, horizontal axis, time, so maybe put, for example, second. Then what we add in here, axis title left, we have trial 1, or let's write concentration, the unit milligram per liter. Then you are all set with axis title, both axis title and title of the page. You can remove this one, delete it, and looks better now. And you can see that all the data in this trial is lower than the first lower limit that's multiplied by 2 times the standard deviations. Pretty much all in control. But let me delete this one completely, because we have to see how we can do it one by one using Mac. Chart design. Chart design, select data, again central line, X value, this is X value till 20, then Y axis, let's get, this is a central line, and how we can make it visible, show data in here, zeros, connect data point with line, and category label, no. Okay, you can try it yourself, because I'm not sure how it works in the Mac, because in Windows it's super easy, but I'm sure you can figure out the way that I did. After you make all your columns, just again select it, and go to insert and select chart. You will have all data. You just need to go again to add chart compartment. You can add different axes, horizontal, vertical. You can label your data, add error bar, anything you want. You can design your, and you can compare your result. You can together, and again, just only for trial 2, you need to send 3 plots, trial 1, trial 2, and this is a mean average. That would be average of these 2 columns. Again, you will get the mean, a standard deviation, and you will have your 3 plots. Very easy.